Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Bleach hack client for Minecraft, a hacked client. So first thing you're going to do is go to the Bleach hack homepage, which is just bleachhack.org. I will hopefully put a link in the description. And we're just going to click on download, the download button for 1.19.4, which is currently the latest version. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this. It's going to give us an ad page, but we can just go up to the top right corner. It's very hard to see, but the top right corner there's a skip button. We're just going to click this little skip button and it's going to give us an option of where to save it. So I'm just going to save the client to the desktop. Should save as a .jar file and it should download pretty fast. That's all you're going to need for the Bleach hack page. Next we're going to go to the Fabric installer, which I will hopefully also put a link for in the description. And we're just going to hit the download universal jar button or the download for Windows button. The blue button or the little link under the blue button will work just fine. Then we're going to go ahead and hit save. I'm going to save it to the desktop again. And that's all we need to do in regards to downloads. Now we should have two .jar files. If you don't have this little symbol on, or this little picture on the downloads that you've just made, you may have to download and install Java in order for this to work. So what I'm going to do first is just double click on the Fabric installer. And that's going to open a little window which looks something like this, and we're going to go, it should just be the latest version by default, and we can just leave everything as it is and hit install. And that's going to really quickly install. It's going to be really fast, and it's going to give us a little Fabric loader has been successfully installed message. We can just hit OK. We can cross this off, and we no longer need this Fabric installer, so you can delete it or do whatever you want with it. Next we're going to have to put the Bleach hack itself into the mods folder inside Minecraft. So we're going to hit the Windows key and R at the same time, which is going to bring up this little run window. We're then going to type in %app data %, and we're going to hit enter, which is going to bring up the location of .minecraft. Should be at the very top or pretty close to the top. In my case I've got Iris installer, but second from the top, .minecraft. So we're just going to click on .minecraft, and if you've never used mods or hack clients before, you're not going to have a mods folder, so you will need to just right click and go new folder and name it mods, M-O-D-S, all lowercase. But we do have a mods folder in this case, so I'm just going to double click on the mods folder. As you can see, it's empty. This may be a necessary step. I'm not sure what mods Bleach hack client is compatible with. So if the Bleach hack's not working, it could be because you've got other mods in the folder. So I just like to have my mods folder empty and just have the Bleach hack in. So I'm going to drag the Bleach hack into the mods folder, like so. Then we're just going to cross it off, and it's done. We can now go over to our little Minecraft launcher here. Whichever launcher you've got, just going to double click on that, and that will bring up the Minecraft launcher, and it should have a new installation called Fabric Loader 1.19.4 when it loads in. As you can see, in my case it hasn't selected the Fabric Loader as the first option, but if we click on the little installations arrow over here, it should bring up a drop down menu, and we should be able to find Fabric Loader 1.19.4 somewhere in here. So we're just going to click on that, and we're going to hit the play button. It's going to give you a little warning message. You don't have to take the I understand risks button, just hit play, and I'll be back when it's finished loading. Alright, so once that's finished loading, you should be greeted with a Minecraft which has a Minecraft inside of the Minecraft, and it's going to say Bleach hack at the top, and it'll just have your random splash text. As you can see, when we move the mouse around, there's little particle effects that follow our mouse around. And there's a bunch of settings down the bottom here. So there's credits over here you can go to, there's options, there's the click GUI, and there's accounts, and there's the Bleach hack itself. So I'm just going to go into single player and create a new world, and I'm just going to wait for it to load, and I'm just going to call it Bleach hack test world. And I'm just going to set the thing to creative, and I'm just going to go create new world, and I'll be back when that's finished loading. Alright, so now I've loaded up a world, and as you can see down in the bottom left hand corner, we have the TPS, the ping, the FPS, and we also have a handy little coordinate box, which is very useful. So I'm just going to go over basically how to use the basics of Bleach Hack. So we're just going to hit right shift. The right shift button will open the hacks menu, and you might go ahead and be wondering why you can't click on any of these, and you can click on them, but you have to right click to open the modules. So the first thing you're probably going to want to do is just spread these modules out a bit so that you can see everything clearly. So I'm just going to divide them a little bit, and then we can right click on all of them, and that will bring up all of the different hacks. So we've got render hacks, player, combat, movement, exploits, stuff like that. So one cool thing is anti-chunk ban, which is pretty cool. We've got our standard kill aura, and to select the hacks, to turn them on, you just left click on them. So you just left click on the hacks that you want to enable. I'm not going to have all of these enabled. We've got anti-hunger, so pretty much all of your standard hacks. Jesus hack, free cam I think as well. If I just go out of here, yes we can. So free cam is another cool hack that you can use, and to disable it you just click it again, and then to get out of the hacks menu obviously is just the escape button. There's also a bunch of commands you can use. So if you hit the talk button and you type $ and then help, it will show you all of these, list all the different commands that you can use on servers and stuff, and those are just sort of like extra features that you can use in the Bleach hack client. And overall pretty good hack client. As you can see, I'm lagging a bit right now, but that's okay. Anyway, that's how you download and install the Bleach hacked client. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.